It is day...
It's Monday.
3.
The second sea day.
Second sea day. We are on our balcony. There's little ships out. There's a lot of ships out here. I don't know. They look too small to be out here, but what do I know?
There's like
nothing. Yeah, there's like 4 of them.
There's like 7, but they're like baby boats, little
I
baby
don't know
boats.
nothing about sailing, so.
I'm Jen.
And I'm Eric.
And we're Generic Life.
Anyway,
We're gonna go to brunch. Then I'm gonna tell you our food today, because that's the only thing we have planned. We're gonna go to brunch. We're gonna get some barbecue. And then we're gonna go to tea time.
Yep.
And then dinner, I don't know. Maybe we'll go to Gigi's.
Maybe, who knows?
Maybe we're gonna, I don't know. I think we do wanna go to Gigi's though. We need to figure out when we wanna go to Gigi's though.
Yeah. And then we're gonna try to find some other stuff to do. So.
Yeah, I don't know. Trivia. Singing.
Anyway, let's get to it.
Look at that Hawaiian shirt with it's a button, it's open. And like, where'd you get that style from? I've never seen you do that. Are you channeling your inner Jimmy Buffett?
Oh Jesus, no. No. I mean, yes. All of those cruise people who love Jimmy Buffett.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
5 o'clock somewhere.
What's your beverage of the morning?
I don't even know how the song goes. A nice Long Island iced tea without the Long Island part. It's just tea.
What'd you get?
Voyage Burger.
Have you ever had a burger before from here?
No, I don't think so.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you about this burger?
I don't get excited about food anymore because Jen and I have been dieting and losing weight, so...
That's a good answer.
Disassociated food from the pleasure center of my brain. You know how it works.
That's a good answer.
Yeah.
Good job.
I have a little teddy bear. Look at my derriere.
We went to brunch. Brunch was good today.
Yep.
I had Huevos Rancheros.
I had a Voyage Burger. Pretty good. We're getting ready to mosey on down to barbecue here in a little bit.
Yeah, you know, food time.
We could just go use the elevator, or we can jump over the side. Here, check it out. Over the side here, slide down there, get onto the deck below, and then go to barbecue right there. Genius.
Eric has a problem. He discovered that the straws that they are giving are edible. Like, he's eating them like candy. For yourself.
They're good. I'm not eating them like candy. It is literally candy. It's literally what it is. This isn't paper. It's made of like sugar. It's candy. It's lime flavored candy. Leave me alone.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas.
We're at line of customer service again because our cards are not working for the laundrette.
Yep. We had somebody come by and they took a look at it. He was a crew member. He tried his card and it worked. So he said our cards are the problem, so we're getting them reprinted. And then we also need to check on that charge that is still on our account for the piano bar, which I swear we weren't there.
Doing laundry. The washing machine took about 30 minutes. It was $3. The dryer took about an hour, and it was $3.50. So an hour and a half for about $6.50. Not bad. There are 3 washers and 3 dryers. We're on floor 6, and the way that this works is you use your card, your stateroom key. So So you load, close the door, put your key in, put your number in. Same thing with this if you didn't bring any of that type of thing. And they're $2 each. But yeah, got laundry done.
That's right. We're in pink. But, you know, I think it fits. I think it suits me. I think I look real good in pink. Men, anyone in the world feel like pink? Wear pink. Who cares? Come on. Vegeta did it. So far on this cruise I've noticed two places. The Lido inside.
Lido Marketplace.
Buffet, yeah. It is hot. Super, super hot in there. I have no idea why.
It's hotter than outside.
It's hotter right now. It is hotter in there than it is outside. And then right now we're waiting to get into Gigi's, like right in between Gigi's and the Italian restaurant. And it is super hot here too. So I don't know why, but it really sucks. Like I don't like sitting here sweating inside the ship.
Especially when we're about to go pay to eat dinner.
Yeah, so that's kind of a bummer. I don't know if it's just like that or if it's something right now, but it also feels like they've been turning the AC in our rooms off at some point at night because it gets really hot in the middle of the night, and it's happened the past 2 nights, both nights. It's gotten super hot, so I don't know if they're turning it off or what's going on with that, but kind of sucks.
Excuse me, sir, what happened to your straw?
My straw's drunk. That's what happens when you drink alcohol through a straw. It's very dark.
Hi, it's been a good day. We are wrapping up for the night. We're hanging outside of the Red Frog Pub, finishing up our drink for the night. And tomorrow is Roatan. It's supposed to be raining. We're supposed to go to the beach, so we will see how that goes.
Yeah, might like not necessarily just rain. It's supposed to be like a thunderstorm, stuff like that. So more than anything, lightning is a concern. But
thunder, lightning.
We'll see how it goes. Anyway, another thing that we've noticed so far that I wanted to point out is that they're not enforcing the whole under 12 years old wearing masks thing.
Not at all.
So if that's a concern of yours, then know that I haven't seen a single under 12-year-old with a mask on at all this entire time.
So I think it's specific areas that they're supposed to have. So like there's certain areas where they don't have to wear a mask.
Yeah.
But then everywhere else they have to. I have yet to see a small child wear a mask at all.
Not at all. So yeah, if that's something that you're concerned about, just know that they aren't enforcing that. But anyways, we're just chilling out. We're gonna go back to the room and go to sleep here in a bit. But thank you for watching. What?
Make sure to like.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all of that. Catchy travel slogan. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.